Hi everyone. So today we will be talking about 4 unique ways to bust your weight loss plateaus. When it comes to losing weight or building muscles, bumping into plateaus is one of the most frustrating part when you are on a weight loss. So when it comes to losing weight and building muscles, a lot of people hit plateau, and that is the most frustrating part of transforming your body, changing your diet when you get on a routine for the first time. And everybody has to face this frustration at some point. So if you're looking to change the composition and weight of your body at some point, some of these may sound unconventional to you, but these have been tried and it works. So if you're bumping into the plateau right now and you need help breaking through it, test that one or maybe all of the 4 methods or different combinations and see if it works for you, and let me know how it goes. A lot of people are not aware that they bump into a plateau when they are trying to lose the weight. Most people don't know when losing weight is when they bump into a plateau and when they are cutting calories. One of the reasons why people bump into a plateau is because they cut down their calories too drastically. So your body actually stunts your metabolism. If for example, if earlier I was eating 2000 calories and now I have cut down my calories to 1000, so my body will start programming itself to function on 1000 calorie diet, and then my body would detect that it can function on 1000 calorie diet, then it doesn't need to burn any extra calories. So now my body is programmed in a way that now it understands that it can function on 1000 calorie diet. So it's not going to burn extra calories when at rest. So it's going to decrease down the resting metabolic rate. And this is what is really bad if we are trying to lose weight. So one way to counteract this is bringing your metabolism back to life. If we compare the gender, reaching the plateau is more common in women as compared to men. Women seem to work out a lot, but their weights don't come down. So one of the reasons is that they are starving themselves. They follow an extremely low calorie diet. Few of my patients I have suggested to increase the calorie and they have seen the difference. I've seen people who overtrain every week. People don't get enough sleep, don't get enough nutrients, and consistently doing endless training. The cardiovascular system does not get time to recover and get better. So if you're training 6 to 10 hours per week, you need to cut that down to half for a week, or at least 2. Like I said, eat more calories and see what it does to your body. Sometimes eating more calories helps you raise your metabolism and helps you break that plateau. Just like that, reducing your workout. So if you're working out a ton, your body will get used to that and get used to you burning those calories through physical activity. So if your body is expecting a workout, it will say, well, it will have to burn as many calories at rest, because you're going to the gym and then you would do weightlifting, circuit training, a lot of interval training, whatever you're going to do. So you have to cut your workout time. It doesn't mean that you have to exactly cut it down to half. It's just a round figure that we are using for this example. You can charge your metabolism to life, because when you decrease your workout, your body would be like, it's not working as the same way it used to work out before. So now body would be like, oh, you're not working as before. So the body needs to increase the resting metabolic rate to burn more calories at rest, because you are not as much active as you were earlier. So this is the second trick that will help you break the weight loss plateau. The third is start doing more resistance training and less cardio. Cardio definitely has its own place. There was a time when I was doing a lot of cycling and I was eating 1300, 1400. I was maintaining my weight. But now the focus is incorporating more weight training, more resistance training, and you also make sure that you have enough of cardio by setting up superset, including circuit training or any running or sprints after the strength workout. So you can make sure it's keeping your heart and lung healthy. So if you are in a place where cardiovascular training is the main focus of your program, try to shift it to resistance training. Even if you're doing 3 to 4 days of body weight exercises at home, you can still keep your heart rate elevated and get your cardio incorporating these resistance training along with your cardio exercises just 3 days a week. You can still keep your heart rate elevated and get your cardio in while you are doing these things like circuit training at home or in the gym. So start doing more resistance training and condition your muscle fibers. So by doing more resistance training and less cardio, you're actually going to be able to increase your metabolism, and that will help you come over your plateau. One of the worst parts about cardio is that it can actually stunt your metabolism, just like dramatic calorie cutting can. Or working out too much can create the plateau. So when you're doing cardiovascular activities like running, jogging, cycling, any kind of steady state cardio, you're burning a ton of calories when you're actually doing it, but you're not going to burn any calories after. This is the downside of purely cardiovascular activities. Depending on what kind of cardio you're doing, they can start eating your muscle tissues for energy. Sometimes as much as 20 to 30% of your muscle tissue if your main focus is only on cardio and if you're not doing any kind of resistance training. So you need to build muscles when you're trying to lose weight so that you can keep your metabolism high and break through that plateau. It would also give you a nice, lean, athletic looking body, which you won't get on a weight loss program that's focused only around a cardio. So the last way that you can break your plateau is it kind of goes back to overtraining. So just by taking a day off, you have been working out, lifting, doing home workouts, yoga, be it for 7 days a week. Sometimes you just need to take a day off. People take a week off to rest and recover. It helps reset your body, it helps you reset your hormones and reset your metabolism, and then you can get back to your routine a week later and you can find that your results are even better in that week. Ensuing your week of taking a rest or taking a break from everything. So these are the 4 unique techniques to break the plateau. Each one of these has been tried and true, super simple to implement, and it helps you reach new goals, help you improve your body composition and reignite your metabolism. So I hope you see the same success using any of these 4 methods to break your plateaus the next time when you get there.